Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be using the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. This is a palette in collaboration with Dose of Colors, and I absolutely love the shades in here. As far as the pigment goes for the glitters, they are beautiful. I would recommend to use your fingers rather than any brushes for like the glitters. It just sticks on a little better. So I wanted to create something a little more dramatic with this palette just because I know homecoming is coming up. I didn't go to homecoming, but if I did, maybe I think I would have worn something like this. At least now, if I was going now, I would wear this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So I'm first going to start off by mixing these two colors together, and I'm going to blend them into my crease. And I'm just going back and forth. We have no grass and my dad is outside, like, I don't know what he's doing, cutting like the dirt or something, but that's the noise in the background. Okay, I think that's good so far. So now I'm gonna move on to, so next I'm gonna take the color Churro. I feel like that's such a weird word to say. Anyway, I'm gonna take that color on a MAC 217. And I'm going to focus this on my crease, but I'm also going to take it up just a little bit to kind of merge in with the first two colors that we used. Oh yeah, and also I'm keeping this look more so in a rounded shape rather than winging it out too much. So then I'm going to go back in with the first brush that I was using, and there's nothing on it. And I'm just going to buff the two or all three colors together. Okay, so next I'm going to take the color Cheens or Sheens. I don't know how you say that. I think it's Cheens. So I'm going to take it on a Morphe M507 brush. It's like a little tapered pencil brush. But I'm going to put it right into my crease and try to not bring it up too high. And then again, keeping the shape of the shadow more of a rounded shape. So it should look something like this once you're done, and then now we're ready to move on to the lid color. So I'm going to go in first with some glitter glue. This one is by NYX. It's my favorite one. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my lid first. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use Game Over. And I'm going to use my finger to apply it. Okay, I'm going to go back in with Cheens, and I'm just going to go over the edges of Game Over. So I'm actually really impressed with the black shade, because normally when you have a black and it has like shimmer or glitter, the glitter usually disappears whenever you put it on, but this one is still here and like I can see it, so I really like it. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to finish off the eyes. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some eyelashes, and the ones that I'm using are in the style Red Rari by LashPopLashes. They're so pretty. I use these pretty much all the time. They're one of my favorite lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this color here on a pencil brush. And I'm going to go ahead and run it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take it all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. So next I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush and go back into this color here. And so with this dark brown, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that I place this right into my lower lashes. So literally right up against them. And I'm kind of creating like a line almost. I'm not worried about blending it out or anything. I just want to get it right in there. And then again, I'm going to take this all across. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and mix these two colors again. And then with that same pencil brush, I'm gonna go ahead and run it right underneath. So I'm taking a little bit of black, this is by Milk Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing, just go over the brown with the black. So instead of adding black in my waterline, I want to open them up just a little bit. So I'm going to take this Studio Chromographic pencil by MAC. This is in the shade NC15 NW20. And I'm going to go ahead and pop that in my waterline. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some mascara. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My username is GlamXGab. So I will post it right here, GlamXGab, and I will see you guys next time.